Hi guys, this is a quick video in installing Putty. Putty is an open source software that allows you to remotely connect to your devices. It could be a router, switch, or server. So to download Putty, all you need to do is you just need to go to your web browser and type in download Putty, and it will lead you to the official Putty website. From there, you need to select the correct file format for your particular device. So for my case, I have a 64-bit Windows device, so I'll download 64-bit Windows installer. So I'll just go ahead and download that. So the download process has just completed. So I'll go ahead and install this particular file. So the installation of Putty has been completed. So now what I need to do is I need to open up a port in my Ubuntu device so that the Putty can communicate to my device. So what I'll do is I'll open up two ports on Ubuntu. So I'll open up port number 22 and 23. So port number 22 is used for SSH connection. So after that, I need to install SSH server on my Ubuntu device as well. So I'll go ahead and install and configure SSH server on Ubuntu. So the configuration of SSH has been completed. Now I will just double check if this configuration is correct and if I can log into my Ubuntu through Putty. So I'll just open up Putty from here and then I'll try to connect into my local device. So the IP address of my device is 192.168.0.10. So I'll just log in using my root username. So it's allowing me to log in to Ubuntu device using Putty. So guys, this is how you install Putty.